Step 1. Make sure you're stopped on a flat, hard surface and in a safe location, with your hazard lights on if you're near a road. And make sure your car is switched off and the handbrake is on. Step 2. Locate the spacesaver spare tyre. It'll usually be inside the boot, hidden underneath a false floor, or it could be under the rear of the car. If you can't find it, consult your owner's manual. Step 3. Get the tools you'll need: a wheel brace or spanner and a jack. These will likely be stored where you found the spacesaver. You'll also need to work out where the car's recommended jacking points are. They are normally marked on the underside of the car. Consult your manual if you're not sure. Step 4. You'll need to crack the wheel nuts, which you do before jacking up the car, as they're usually done up really tight. If you can't do it by hand, try standing on the end of the wheel brace and using your body weight to loosen them. You only need to loosen them by just a quarter of a turn or so. Step 5. Before you start jacking up the car, it's a good idea to chock the wheel diagonally opposite to the flat to ensure the car doesn't move. Again, check the handbrake is on. Begin jacking the car up at the same corner as your flat tyre until the tyre is off the ground. Remove the wheel nuts completely and put them in a safe location where you won't lose them. Step 6. Take care to remove the flat tyre from the car. Remember, it'll be heavy and dirty, and set it flat on the ground under the car next to the jack. This way, it acts as a backup in case the jack fails. Put the spacesaver spare tyre in place and start the wheel nuts with your fingers. Make sure the wheel is sitting flush and centre before tightening them with the wheel brace while the wheel is still in the air. Step 7. Remove the flat tyre from underneath the car and let the jack down until the wheel hits the ground, and tighten the wheel nuts as much as you can, going in a sequence of tighten 1, skip 1, tighten 1, skip 1 until they're all tight. Step 8. Let the jack down completely. Pack away the flat tyre, tools, jack and anything else you've used or removed from the car, and give yourself a pat on the back. There are a few things to remember when driving on a spacesaver spare tyre. They are a temporary fix, so don't drive on it longer than you need to. Most are usually only rated to a maximum speed of 80 kilometers an hour. Finally, get to a tyre specialist as soon as possible to have your tyre repaired or replaced and refitted.